Today we are going to learn how to make a size fader. Then we start. We select our group. We turn it on, we take it to a position. Let's go to the effects. Let's look for a predefined. Let's put symmetrical. -2 please. DOS please. We select the effect. Now we give the store. Let's win it here. We are going to the characteristics of the fader. Let's put it as temp. Here at master we go. Let's put it as a temp fader. Ready, we close. Now we go here. Right click on it. Let's go to options. We are going to special master. And we are going to create a speed master. Ready? Now let's go here. Let's go to options. Let's give him a speed. Speed controlled by speed 1. Ready? Now we clean. We go to our size. And here starts the effect. Now let's go up the speed of the effect. And here we make the effect smaller. We change the size. Then it's going to be smaller here. We control the speed. The speed of effect. And here the size of the effect. And it gets bigger, larger, larger, smaller, larger. And in this way we control the size of the effect. And this creates a fader size. Let's test it with another effect. So let's go to select our bin. We turn on. Let's make 1 till. With tilsons, for example. That is, we select the effect. We are going to charge you a higher value. The 100. The J-Ballo. We are backwards. Let's modify it. Good 100. In this way we send it forward. Ready? Let's give store. Let's go to the executors. We record it here. We are going to convert our executor in a temp and the master's degree in a temp fader. Let's create a speedmaster here. Let's select O2. And we are going to add this speedmaster to our temp fader. We clean. We give you our effect. We raise speed. We approve our 10 fader. And we can see how the effect gets smaller. We raise speed. of the effect. We increase the size of the effect. And in this way we achieve a size fader. Let's try it with a punchiness. We select our group we turn on. Let's go to the position. Lowest position. We select an effect. Let's go to Pansons. We select the effect. Achieved a win of 2. To be symmetrical, let's give groups of 4. Ready, here we already have an effect. Let's record its store. Let's record it in this executor. Let's create a Speedmaster here. We selected the third speed. Let's trade this one for a temp fader. And we will add he speaks 3 for the speaking 3 to control. We clean. We see our effect. The speed. Here we see how our effect gets smaller. Larger. And this is how we control the speed fader of our effects. All size fader. We control the sizes of the effects. Ready, friends? This is as far as if you liked it, remember, like us, subscribe, activate the little bell, and see you in an upcoming tutorial.